In the visual inspection of the knife, we're looking for obvious signs of dullness. To do that test, hold the knife as so with a bright light above and examine the cutting edge. If you see light being reflected off the cutting edge, then you know that knife is pretty dull. On the other hand, if there's no light reflecting off the cutting edge, you can be confident that the knife is quite sharp. In a visual inspection of a sharp knife, light shone down from above gets split effectively at the cutting edge, and the reason for that is that the edge is so fine it can't be seen by the human eye. To give you a sense of scale, a good quality razor is about 0.4 microns at the cutting edge, which is about 50 times smaller than the finest human hair. When you do a visual inspection on a dull knife, either one that's rolled over or one that's simply worn, you get the splitting effect of the light. But what you also get is some reflection back off that edge, and that's because it's much, much wider than a sharp knife. Same here, you get reflection back. And when you see either a continuous line of light reflecting off the edge or spots of light reflecting off, you know you've got some dullness there. We've chosen 3 knives on which to do our reflectivity test. Okay, we're going to start with this black Solel. We've got a bright light source here. We just hold it up to the light, and you may have to tilt it back and forth a little bit. But as soon as you see reflectivity, and in this case we see it all along the edge, we know that's a dull knife. Okay, next is the inspection of our coho here. And we see on a couple of portions of the edge there some nicks. Those are rolled over areas, shining the light back at us. All right, now for the red-handled Solel. Let's see what that looks like. We tilt it a little bit. I'm not seeing any reflection off that edge.